Have you ever wondered how Microsoft Azure AI is revolutionizing the world of technology? Well, it's time to shed some light on this innovative platform. Microsoft Azure AI, a key player in the current tech landscape, is an amalgamation of AI services and cognitive APIs. This dynamic duo allows you to build intelligent apps with ease and efficiency. Azure AI is not just a standalone entity, it's a part of a much larger ecosystem, the Microsoft Cloud Solutions. This means it's backed by the robustness and reliability of Microsoft's cloud capabilities. Whether it's about developing a chatbot, deciphering human sentiment from text, or predicting trends using machine learning, Azure AI is your go-to platform. It's a world where technology and intelligence unite to create something truly remarkable. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to explore this fascinating world of Microsoft Azure AI. Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty of Azure AI's features. Consider Azure Machine Learning, a comprehensive cloud-based data science workspace. It's a playground for data scientists and developers, a space where they can collaborate, build, and deploy machine learning models with ease and efficiency. Azure Machine Learning is like the Swiss Army knife of machine learning tools. It's packed with features that make the process of building, training, and deploying machine learning models a breeze. Imagine an environment where you can use automated machine learning to identify the best models quickly, or where you can manage and monitor your models with the utmost ease. That's Azure Machine Learning for you. This tool is designed to simplify machine learning. It does this by offering a visual interface where you can drag and drop modules to build your models. No need for extensive coding knowledge, but if you're a code whiz, you can still get your hands dirty with Python or R scripts and notebooks. Azure Machine Learning doesn't just stop at model building and training. It offers a unified model management and deployment experience. You can seamlessly deploy your models to the cloud or the edge, monitor their performance, and retrain them as needed. It's like having your personal assistant that takes care of the heavy lifting in machine learning. And let's not forget about the collaboration aspect. Azure Machine Learning is a shared workspace. You can work with your team, share your models and experiments, and get insights from each other. It's about creating a community of learning and growth. However, the real gem of Azure Machine Learning is its scalability and enterprise readiness. It's built on Azure, one of the most secure and compliant cloud platforms. Rest assured, your data and models are safe and secure, and can scale as your business needs grow. In a nutshell, Azure Machine Learning takes the complex world of machine learning and makes it accessible and manageable. It's about empowering developers and data scientists to innovate, experiment, and make a difference with their work. Azure Machine Learning is indeed a game changer in the AI world. Next, we have the Cognitive Services, a collection of AI services and cognitive APIs. These aren't mere tools, but powerful allies that help you build applications that can see, hear, speak, understand, and even begin to reason. Imagine a future where applications perceive the world as we do. Well, with Cognitive Services, that future is here. Let's dive deep into the key services. First up, Vision. Vision converts visual content into meaningful information. It's like giving your application a pair of eyes, enabling it to identify and analyze content within images, videos, and digital ink. From recognizing celebrities to detecting emotions, Vision can do it all. Next is Speech. This service gives your application the power to listen and speak. It transcribes spoken language into written text, synthesizes text into speech, and even translates from one language to another. Imagine an application that not only understands what you're saying but also responds in your language. That's the magic of speech. Then, we have Language. This service helps your application understand the complexities of human language. It can extract raw text from documents, detect sentiment, recognize key phrases, and even translate text into other languages. Language is the bridge that connects your application with users from around the globe. Moving on, we have Decision. This service helps your application make informed decisions. It provides personalized recommendations, moderates content, and detects anomalies. With Decision, your application can make choices just as a human would. Lastly, there's Web Search. This service pulls in search results from the web into your applications. It's like having the power of a search engine right within your application. Cognitive services are not just about understanding and interacting with the world. They're about making sense of it, about making decisions based on that understanding. They're about breaking down barriers, about bringing people closer, about making the world a smaller place. Cognitive services truly bring AI within the reach of every developer. The Azure Bot Service is another fascinating feature, isn't it? Let's delve right into what makes it so special. The Azure Bot Service is a key component of Microsoft's Azure AI platform. What it provides is an integrated environment that is purpose-built for bot development. This means it's designed from the ground up to help you build, test, deploy, and manage high-quality bots, all in one place. Imagine being able to build a bot that can handle a variety of tasks, from answering customer queries to helping users navigate your website or app. With Azure Bot Service, that's not just possible, it's easy. You can build bots that can interact naturally with users using rich conversational interfaces. But what does an integrated environment for bot development really mean? Well, it's all about providing a streamlined and efficient workflow. From coding your bot to testing its interactions, from deploying it to managing its performance, Azure Bot Service provides the tools and services you need. And it's not just about building a bot and letting it loose. Azure Bot Service helps you manage your bot's lifecycle. This means you can monitor its performance, make necessary adjustments, and ensure it's delivering the best experience to your users. What's more, Azure Bot Service is designed to deliver these interactive experiences across multiple channels. That's right. Your bot can interact with users on various platforms, from your website to social media, from messaging apps to email. This is the power of Azure Bot Service. It's not just a tool for building bots. It's a comprehensive platform for creating interactive, engaging, and efficient bots that can make a real difference in how you interact with your users. Azure Bot Service is more than just a feature of Azure AI. It's a testament to the potential of AI to transform the way we communicate, interact, and do business. Azure Bot Service enables incredible interactive experiences across multiple channels. Now let's talk about Azure Databricks, an Apache Spark-based analytics platform. So what exactly is Azure Databricks? It's a fast, easy, and collaborative platform built around Apache Spark that's designed to accelerate the process of big data analytics. But it's more than just a platform, it's a tool set, a playground for data scientists, a place where big data and artificial intelligence converge. Azure Databricks empowers organizations to manage and analyze massive volumes of data effortlessly. It's designed to simplify the process of building big data and AI solutions. It does this by providing a unified workspace where data engineers and scientists can collaborate to explore, prototype, build, and deploy data analytics solutions. One of the major functionalities of Azure Databricks is its capacity to process large amounts of data in real time. It uses Apache Spark's in-memory processing capabilities to deliver exceptional performance. But it's not just about speed. It's about the capacity to process and analyze data in ways that weren't possible before. Azure Databricks also integrates seamlessly with other Azure services. You can use it in conjunction with Azure Data Lake Storage, Azure Synapse Analytics, Power BI, and more. This makes it a versatile tool that can fit into your existing data ecosystem with ease. There are also built-in features for machine learning and AI, making it easier to build predictive models and uncover insights. These include automated machine learning capabilities and support for popular libraries and frameworks, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. And while all this power is at your fingertips, Azure Databricks also prioritizes security and compliance. It's fully managed, meaning Microsoft handles the back end, so you can focus on what you do best, turning data into insights. In essence, Azure Databricks is a potent concoction of speed, collaboration, and innovation. It's about making the complex simple, about turning the raw potential of big data into actionable insights, and about empowering organizations to make data-driven decisions. Azure Databricks surely accelerates big data analytics and artificial intelligence solutions. As we wrap up, let's quickly summarize what we've learned about Azure AI. We've explored Azure Machine Learning, a feature that empowers developers and data scientists with a wide range of productive experiences for building, training, and deploying machine learning models faster. Then, we delved into cognitive services, which provide intelligent algorithms to see, hear, speak, understand, and even begin to reason in more human ways. Next, we touched on the Azure Bot Service, enabling the creation of conversational experiences that engage with users naturally. We also covered Azure Databricks, an analytics platform optimized for the Microsoft Azure Cloud Services platform, giving life to the power of big data and AI. Each of these features contributes to making Azure AI a comprehensive and powerful AI solution. Indeed, Microsoft Azure AI is an essential tool in today's tech-driven world, opening up new realms of possibilities.